Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over baked beans, and I have an update for you. I'm going to be updating the contract, showing you my position and how that is doing and all that good stuff. But before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter. Links are in the description, and also the links are down below for the Discord servers and all that good stuff. And with that said, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. And with that said, let's jump into it. Now, I know baked beans isn't for everyone. A lot of us will remember it from back in the previous bull market, the 2021-2022 bull market. I think it was the longest standing miner that came out, if I'm remembering correctly. During that time anyway. I know there was one called BNB Miner that went on for like many years, but baked beans has standed the test of time back in that bull market. Now, the way these things are designed, of course, they're very risky because once the contract doesn't have any more BNB in it, of course, there's no more rewards. So that is obviously a concern for some people, as it should be. If you just play your games, if you play your cards right, then you can potentially make profit from these things, and I did last time, and I'll continue to invest in them. And look, I know these things aren't for everyone. That's completely fine. Some people like them, some people don't, and that's fine. I still like them. That's why I'm going to make some updates on them. However, the main sort of priority for me is yield farming, but I still do feel like these sort of dApps do have a place in a portfolio potentially as a small percentage. Again, do not bet the house on one of these passive income dApps because they are super risky. Okay, with that said, let's jump into it. So, as you know, the BNB rewarded the tastiest daily returns, 8% variable daily, and that depends on how often you compound and claim, how often you log in and basically hit one of these buttons, etc. They now also have a coin flip, which we'll go over. There's currently 1,917 BNB in here, which is just over $1.1 million, which is very nice to see. So if we connect up our wallet here, you can see we have 438 beans. Now these beans, essentially you put in the amount of BNB. Okay, and then you go ahead and you'll get beans, which is basically the BNB that you put in. And then this will generate your returns, right? You have 28, I've got 25 beans. I can either go ahead and rebake, or I can go ahead and pull out this 0.04 BNB. This is less than 24-hour returns, by the way. I've been compounding every day since I've been in, and I'll continue to do so for a couple more days, and then I'll probably go ahead and withdraw for one of the days. But yeah, I can go ahead and compound this right now, and it will give me 25 extra beans, but I'm not going to do so. So how have I got this extra like 400 beans? Well, it's simply just from compounding. That's it. It's just from compounding my earnings. That's how I've done it. Of course, anyone that maybe have used my link, that would have also increased that as well. And I appreciate anyone that does. If you are willing to get in, of course, nothing is financial advice. Do so at your own risk, all that good stuff, right? So you can go ahead and show, they now have this coin flip, which is a new sort of revenue generation, right? You can either bet heads or tails, and you can max 0.39 BNB, and you'll get a payout. You'll get like a 1.95x on this. Okay, and you can see the previous games here. You can see the previous games, right, of how well they have been going. So again, another little game here that you can play potentially if you're wanting to risk some BNB for this. This is completely separate. You can just put in however much BNB you want to go ahead and flip. You just hit flip coin, and then you can do that, right? Actually, let's do it now. 0.01 BNB, flip coin on heads. Let's go have a look to see. We may as well do this. It's only like $6, right? And then we can see what happens. So wait for this to go through. It's a little game that they have on here, and then it will show our winnings, or depends if we win or lose, right? 50-50 chance, and we lost. So there you go. Yeah, that's just how it is, right? So yeah, show baked beans. You can see you can go ahead and eat these right now. I can rebate for 25, etc. That's how baked beans are doing. Quick little update here. You can have a look at their link tree, right? They got the website, Telegram, Twitter. I think they've grown quite a bit on Twitter recently. 3,400 followers. Let's see what they got going on here. Let's have a look. they got some merch going. Someone's bought their merch. They have a competition going on. So they do tweet quite often. I think I saw a tweet, something about the TVL holding up very nicely over the weekend or something. But yeah, Twitter's all good. Baked Beans doing all good so far. But yeah, just thought I'd do an update. I know these aren't for everyone. There will be a link down below if you do want to jump in. And you can check out the white paper actually, which I'd recommend doing so. You can click on white paper here on the link tree and you can view everything, right? It's the exact same. Team as last time, right? Same team, etc. And yeah, so it's exactly the same as last time. It's just a new DApp, and you can see there are some changes. What's different? You can read over these because there are quite a few differences. And yeah, you can go ahead and view over all of this on the white paper. There is so the strategy that's recommended by Baked Beans themselves is to compound for 6 days and claim on the 7th day. That just helps with sustainability. It also helps you get your initial investment back out and all that good stuff. But yeah, there's an update. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are new and turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.